Hello everybody. So we are a few days later. We are about to plant our grass seeds. So today's date is April 23rd, Saturday. Yeah, so we got a nice day today. I had to wait several days because of the weather. So we're gonna go ahead and get this done. So the first thing I'm gonna do now is just rake over this a little more. Like I said, we have to wait a few days. So this one so we can get good seed to dirt. Good seed to dirt germination. So I'm gonna use got some sun and shade mix, right? You can see it's a little shady over here. So I'm gonna put some of this down. I'm gonna actually mix it with some northeast mix also. So what? Let me go and get my spreader. Be right back. Yeah, so I'm gonna use my spreader so we can get an even spread on this. I don't really need a lot, but there's a lot of seed left, so I'm gonna use a little more than I need. And this is the northeast mix. Alright, so let's get this down. Alright, so we got that down. Now I'm gonna use stuff drops also is starter fertilizer. A little bit less of this one, so let's finish it off. So after that now, just go over with the back of the rake. I usually do it like that just so when I wet the seed it can be partially under the dirt or under the soil, whichever one you prefer to call it. So now we're gonna put some water on this. So now we'll be watering this every day or every other day until we get some growth. So after I water this, I might come around tomorrow and put some straw over it just for more protection from the birds. But, so this first watering, I just like to saturate it real good. This way, not to the point where I have puddles, stuff like that. So, just water it in real good. Right, so that's gonna be it for the water today. So I'm gonna come out here probably every day or every other day to make sure this stays wet. All right, so this is how we're looking so far. So hopefully the next month, hopefully by mid-May, we should have some grass in here. All right. So I wanted to let you guys know I had another channel. It's called JSK Enterprise. I put it up in the corner of the screen. But on that channel, I use that for my other hobby, which is flying drones, taking pictures from the air, taking video from the air, different locations that I visit, that I go to fly. So it's a nice little hobby. But yeah, go check that out, JSK Enterprise on YouTube. And I'd appreciate if you go over there, give me a like, give me a share, and subscribe to that channel. I really appreciate it. Alright, so that's it for this video. We got the grass planted, so now we just gotta wait for that to grow. Alright, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.